This is like cute and intimate. Oh, my arm looks so skinny. Is that Bella? Bella, is that you? Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alyssa, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're doing something a little different. And I don't know how this is gonna go. I could in a few days be like, this is stupid and scrap the whole thing, but obviously if you're seeing this, I didn't do that, so I love that. We're gonna do a week in my life. Not that I think that my life is like super interesting or anything, but I do have a really fun week, so I was like, let's document it. This week is so fun because at the end of the week, I am going to visit my best friend Giovanni in Charlotte. So I thought that I could do a week in the life because leading up to me going, I have a lot of prep and a lot of packing to do. I have some outfits in mind. I just need to put everything together, see what it looks like. So fun fact about me, I post on Instagram every day. You should follow me if you're not following me already. I post typically a reel. Yeah, I post a reel every day. And so in order to do that while having a full-time job, I like to stockpile content on the weekends. And this past weekend, I really did not get to do that. I had an endo flare-up last week, so I was down bad and I didn't get to pre-record videos. So this week's reels are gonna be pretty chill. I do have to record a little bit today and tomorrow so that they're like pre-filmed for the week. Okay, so my first task at hand, sorry about the air purifier in the background. My boyfriend's obsessed with having air purifiers all around the house. But anywho, I went to pack this shirt for Charlotte because if you didn't know, Charlotte is like a huge area for NASCAR, and I thrifted this shirt. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but this is straight glitter and I don't want it to get all over everything when I pack it. So I asked ChatGPT what I should do because that's what I do in every situation, any minor inconvenience, I ask ChatGPT. They recommended this. It's like a fabric glue. I tested it out on another shirt that I have that has loose glitter. So we're gonna do it on this. I feel like this is gonna be even better because it's such a small area. So let's see what we can do. Oh. I am going to clean this on my reels, which I do post on reels every day, and I also post them to YouTube shorts. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make my reel now cleaning the bathroom. Hi everyone, it's the next day. Oh my god, someone's watching me record. I am at Old Navy. I'm gonna run in and I'm looking for a pair of jorts because I have this one outfit envisioned for North Carolina this weekend. My Jeff Gordon shirt that I showed and jorts. I'm gonna see if I can find a pair of shorts. I have to be kind of quick. And then I have so much to do tonight. It's not even funny, like packing wise and just like preparation wise. So I'm gonna take you guys along. I have really been so bad at this vlog. I don't even know like what I've recorded, but it's gonna get better from here. So just stick with me. If you stuck with me, I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh, right when I walk in. Okay, y'all, it's time to pack. I'm gonna do some hauls, unbox some stuff. Ooh, also, this turned out cute. It got a little messed up here, and that's my fault. Still think it will be cute to wear. It gave it this really nice glossy finish. Okay, so first I'm gonna unbox the stuff from Amazon, and I'm gonna link everything below. They are affiliate links, but I just wanted to make it very clear that I was gonna share this stuff regardless. So excited, let's get into it. It's like Christmas. Oh, okay, perfect. This is from this brand Bag Smart. I think I'm gonna get like a new work bag and stuff from this brand. So this is to organize all of my tech stuff. So all of my cords, and like I wanna bring my digital camera, all of my chargers. I love it. And I'm obsessed with how that looks. Oh, okay, this is kind of boring, but these are lens wipes for my glasses. I do have like a cleaner that I spray and a reusable cloth, but I feel like wearing makeup, it's just better to have the wipes. These will be so good to have. I can keep these with me on the go. Okay, so I got this workout set because it's gonna be really hot. Well, compared to where I'm at in Pennsylvania, it's gonna be really hot. So I wanted to make sure I have comfy outfits. Oh my gosh. So it's like this little skirt and top. The picture, it almost looked like a dress. I don't mind if it doesn't necessarily like connect, but it's not like a total sports bra. Got this set to wear my Dairy Boy hat with it, and I think that's gonna go perfect. So I do have to try this on. Speaking of my chargers and my tech organizer, I got this USB-C memory card reader for my digital camera. I had one of these that went with my old iPhone, but since they changed the port, I had to get a new one. Oh, it's just like this, and then that way I can take pictures on my camera and get them to my phone. Now I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Old Navy. This really got me at the checkout. This little bow with cherries. Not only is it giving 4th of July, but it's just giving summer 2025, and it spoke to me. And it was $9.99 and I had $9 in credits, so it was free. I got crew socks. I got my jorts. I might try this on with this. I also got this, which I tried on. I love this color. I wanted brown. I have my size in a lot of them. So. And then I actually was gonna order these online, but I saw them in the store. They're just these little flats with the square top, which I'm so happy that ballet flats are trending right now with the square top, because the rounded ones, those hurt my toes. I thrifted this Old Navy shirt. It's just 2023. It would be cooler if it was like from the 90s or something, but I thrifted this Old Navy classic 4th of July shirt. I got these from Walmart, so I guess I can wash these too. Oh my gosh, how cute would this be with the bow? This is, I like it. Let me see with the hat. So cute. And I like that this is a set. I like that it's not connected because I think it's gonna be really hot. This is exactly what I was picturing. I'm obsessed. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I thrifted this shirt on Mercari. And I had credits, so I think I paid like $5. Okay, now I have to wash all of this stuff that's new. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do a voiceover for this next section because I didn't explain what the heck is going on. So I kind of mentioned that the fabric glue, it was my own doing. I wasn't careful around the edges of the two, and I didn't like how it looked, so I panicked and I asked chat. I said, what do I need to do to clean this up? So I was using a toothpick, and then some of the things they suggested were a warm cloth, a toothbrush, and even Goo Gone, which is an adhesive remover. So you're going to see me take Goo Gone on a Q-tip and go in. So even after doing all of this, I wasn't satisfied because it got like kind of crumbly all over, and I kind of panicked. So I threw it in the wash, and it ended up, when it dried, it ended up looking so much better. So, you know, this is just so you can learn from my mistakes and just be careful if you're using adhesive glue when you're spraying it on. Okay, anywho, on to the next little thing that we're prepping. So I have these New Balance sneakers, and I got these Coquette lacy shoelaces on Amazon. And I thought, how fun would it be to lace these up, kind of zhuzh them up a bit. And tell me why it was a lot harder than I anticipated to lace these shoelaces. That's embarrassing to admit, but you know, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. This took up a lot more time than I thought it would. I will just say that. But I did think that they turned out so cutie. On to the next thing. I'm just washing my face, And then I really needed to clean up my eyebrows, and lately, instead of going and getting them waxed, I've been dermablading them, so I'm going to show that. I actually started doing this in COVID, obviously, because we couldn't go get our eyebrows done. So I just bought these Dermablade razors on Amazon, and this is still the same pack that I bought 5 years ago. That's how long they've lasted me. So I just put on some shave cream. I mainly focus in between my eyebrows, and I've noticed a huge difference. This helps so much with, you know, my foundation going on in between there. So obviously, like, be careful when you do this. Be careful not to take a brow off. But I've found it to be more effective and more cost effective than going to get them done. Okay, so here it is now the next night. Not only am I an overpacker, but I'm in last minute packer. I'm just showing, you know, a lot of the stuff that I already showed, that I already unboxed and tried on. But this is me packing last minute. Obviously, things got a lot more crazy than I anticipated, and I feel like this was not like a full week in my life because this was Wednesday night of that week. But, you know, I did my best, and I got to show you the prep that went into my packing. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Let me know what other videos you want me to make, what else you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.